Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today I'm going to show you how to make this taco pizza. This is perfect for any lunch, dinner, or just a snack. So keep watching. We want to start by browning about a half pound of ground beef. Just bring this over to the stove, chop it up, and brown it. And chop up the ground beef. Now brown your ground beef. Once it's browned, add a 1/4 cup of water and a 1/4 package of taco seasoning. Mix that through. Next, I have a baking sheet lined with foil. I'm gonna spray it with some cooking spray. Then I'm gonna use this pizza crust here. This is a pre-made pizza crust. You can make your own pizza crust for this recipe if you'd like. I'm just taking the easy way out. I've already preheated my oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Now this is a pizza crust in a can. Just comes out just like that. All you have to do is lay it out, nice rectangle. I've already preheated my oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We're just gonna put this in there and let it cook for about 8 minutes. All right, so after 8 minutes, your crust should have cooked a little bit. It's not gonna be all the way cooked. It's just gonna be cooked enough to make it firm. Next, we're gonna spread on 16 ounces of refried beans. Spread it out into a nice even layer. Then we're gonna come back to our meat that we browned up and we're gonna sprinkle that all over top. Now just sprinkle our meat on top. Now we're gonna add on some shredded cheese. Then we're gonna bake this in the oven at 400 degrees for around 6 to 8 minutes. All right, so after about 8 minutes, it's all done. You can leave it in longer if you want your crust to be browner. You can top it with whatever you want, lettuce, tomatoes, green onions, sour cream, whatever you wish. I like to leave it like this and let the individuals in my family pick out what they want and then top it individually. And now for the taste test, just like a normal pizza. This is delicious. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this taco pizza. It was a lot of fun to make and it tasted delicious as well. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Also hit that big red subscribe button. Get new videos all the time. Check out this video right here. And until then, I'll see you next time. My oven's already at preheated. Then we're going to come back to our meat that we ground it up. Now we're going to add on some shredded cheese. Make so soup. So if you enjoyed this video, keep watching and no.